This guide walks you through importing leads, mapping form fields in the CRM, ensuring efficient lead management and organization. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Lead. At the top right corner, click on the Import Lead button. Upload your Excel file containing lead details. Click on Upload. Once uploaded, you'll see the message, File uploaded successfully. Proceed to the next step. Click on Next. You'll see a Source Mapper section. Each column from your Excel file on the left needs to be mapped with the corresponding form field in the system on the right. Common mappings include phone number in left side to be matched with phone number in right side. Select phone number from dropdown. Name in left side to be matched with name in right side. Select name from dropdown. Review each field carefully and ensure all mandatory fields are mapped correctly, and click on Next. Review the mapped data before uploading. If any record looks incorrect, click the Back button to return and fix mapping errors. Once reviewed, click Upload to import the leads. Uploaded leads will be displayed in Grid.